Look at what just pulled up. Ford Mustang. Kit. Not sure what kit this is, but look at that. Look at the splitter. Huge and aggressive. We've got these side canards looking. Got the Coyote badge. Different grille. Yeah, man. It's got the racing stripe. Louvers on the hood. Yeah. Different approach to it. Sounds aggressive. We'll hear it in a bit. Oh yeah, it's got this limitation. Supposed to be hood pins, but yes, it's not on for show. Hello. Pirelli P0s, 5.0 for 5 litre V8. You know what I mean, man?
Yeah, see it, mate. All right, I'm good, mate. Yeah, all right, yeah. He asked me. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, because I've got a YouTube channel, innit? I do car videos on there. Where's my card?
Yeah, give us a card, mate. I'll have a look.
That's the one, man.
Oh, cheers, buddy.
Right,
have a good Christmas, mate.
All right. Let's get up close. Hit that V8 motor. It's probably got a big exhaust as well.